Right, I'm back again with another video, another episode about the ZIG currency, Zimbabwe gold currency. Remember, this is a currency that was introduced last year, April 2024, by the government of Zimbabwe as a brainchild of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, and his deputy, General Chiwenga, and the whole government involved. Right now, as I talk to you, there's a latest development, there's a latest switch or a twist concerning the Zimbabwe gold currency or the ZIG. IMF gave an order, gave an instruction to the RBZ, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, in conjunction or in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance, that, guys, you know what? We've been monitoring for some time, and your economy seems to be doing good. Your economy seems to be doing fine. Your economy, Zimbabwean economy, seems to be doing well. So now we want you to shift to another gear. We want you to transition to another level whereby you are going to use your ZIG currency as the sole legal tender to facilitate all the transaction in your economy, to undertake all the dealings in your economy. And you have to stop using other currencies like what you've been doing since the year 2009. So this is the new update, this is the new information, this is the latest development when it comes to the ZIG currency in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. So this is a directive straight from the IMF, International Monetary Fund, this financial organization or multilateral financial institution that is based or domiciled in America. Yes, in America. So they gave an instruction to the Minister of Finance and again to the RBZ that you have to transition to use the ZIG. But because of this development that is going to take place very soon in Zimbabwe, it's going to happen very soon in Zimbabwe. I got a question to the people of Bulawayo, Ndebele or Sutu or Kalanga, whatever tribe, or foreigners staying or living or domiciling themselves in Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North, these three provinces. What are they going to do since they don't like the ZIG, since they hate the ZIG, since they don't want the ZIG, since they have not been using the ZIG all this while from last year? What are they going to do when it comes to you using only the ZIG in Zimbabwe? What are they going to do? I got this multi-million or this multi-billion dollar question to the residents of Bulawayo, people of Matabeleland region. What are they going to do when it comes to a point or a time, and surely is coming, according to what the IMF said to the RBZ and to the Ministry of Finance, the order that they gave, the instruction that they gave. So that time is coming. So people of Bulawayo or any part of Matabeleland region, what are they going to do when the ZIG has to be used in Zimbabwe, in every part of Zimbabwe, every city or town under Mashonaland, and again every city or town under Matabeleland region, either Matabeleland South or Matabeleland North or Bulawayo Metropolitan Province? What are they going to do? What are they going to do? I'm so worried. I'm so stressed. I'm so much concerned to those of these people, Ndebele, Kalanga, Sutu, Venda, Nambia, Dombe, whatever tribe, whatever ethnicity that is based in Bulawayo Metropolitan Province or Matabeleland South or Matabeleland North, as long as they are Zimbabweans, registered Zimbabweans, official Zimbabweans, or Zimbabwean citizens, what are they going to do? Why am I asking? Because I got information that there's no ZIG in that part of the world. There's no ZIG currency being used in that side of the world. And now the IMF is saying, no, your whole country, your whole economy, everybody in your country, everybody in your nation has to transition to use the ZIG as the only sole legal tender. Sole legal tender means this is the only currency to be used. We don't have to use the US dollar or the rand or the Botswana pula or the British pound sterling. No, we have to stop using all these other currencies that are foreign or that are strange to us as Zimbabweans. We have to use our own production, which is the ZIG. We have to use our own product, which is the ZIG currency. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. And now this set of people, this brand of people in Bulawayo, in Matebeni region, they don't want the ZIG. They are not using the ZIG since last year, April 2024. They have not been using the ZIG. So what's going to happen to them? How are they going to survive? By what way are they going to facilitate their transactions? By what way? By what mechanism? By what channel or mechanism? By what avenue are they going to facilitate their transactions or their dealings when it comes to buying and selling, when it comes to doing business or doing entrepreneurship, when it comes to a retail sector, wholesale sector, everybody who is in business? Remember, this thing that does not only affect those in business or those in entrepreneurship. No, even any ordinary consumer, any basic person, basic individual, ordinary consumer, ordinary buyer, this thing is going to affect him or her in this way or the other way around. So everybody is going to be affected. But I want to know, what are they going to do? Since they don't love, they don't like, they don't want, and they don't use the ZIG currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, what are they going to do? As for Mashonaland, this is a good news because people are already using the ZIG. They have been using it since it was introduced. From the day or from the time it was introduced, Shona people in every Mashonaland city, Mashonaland town, they've been using the ZIG. Of course, some of people have been complaining, they've been mumbling and baffling. Some people have been ranting, a lot of things, they've been bantering, what. Yes, I know, I understand. But at the end of the day, Shona people, Shona tribe, Mashonaland region, all of it, they've been using the ZIG. So to this region, to this part of the world, to this side of the world in Zimbabwe, this issue is not a problem. This issue is not a challenge or a problem. But when it comes to Bulawayo, when it comes to Matebele South, Matebele North, Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, this thing is going to be a big, big issue. I know and I can predict, I can foresee that is going to be a big issue, is going to be a big problem, is going to be a big challenge. What are they going to do when the government gonna remove every US dollar, remove every Botswana pula, remove every South African rand, remove every currency from the Zimbabwean system, Zimbabwean economic system, Zimbabwean market system? When they're gonna remove it or wipe it out of the circulation in Zimbabwe, these Ndebele people, Tsonga, Tonga, Ndombe, Nambia, these Matebelean people, what are they going to do? What are they going to do? I can repeat this question a billion times, a trillion times, or a million times because it's very important. I can repeat and repeat and repeat again and again and again and again. What are they going to do? For Mashonaland region, people are safe because they've been already using it, but not this side, not this region. What are they going to do? People, talk to me in the comments box, comment section. What are they going to do? I'm done talking. Peace out.